Hi guys, it's me. This is my table after the second day. I didn't take one the first day, a video, but I did take a picture, and I'll show you guys the picture. I sold out of 2 items, but here's the rest of, well, this is what's left. So I really just wanted to show you guys my table and how it looked. Those are the cakes in a cup and the coffee kits, which we didn't sell any of the coffee kits, which I'm surprised. We sold some of the pens. We sold some of the mini lip balm holders and the teas. I sold 2 of those because I only had 4, and I sold 2 of those. Just about half of these are gone. I had 2 trays of those, so I'm down to maybe 2 or 3 in a tray. We just fill them in. I sold some of those. Right there, the little desk calendars. We sold some of those. Sold some of the clips, and I'm actually surprised those are still here because I thought they would have been gone. I sold 3 of the steampunk ones. I just brought these 3 for $1 today because I forgot them. And there are the fabulous notebooks. And I have not sold not one of these things. But let me do a wide shot. And that's the table.